pretty sure so the wax in the highest gear. I'm pretty sure it goes through here. Does it? No, sorry, you can't push that end through. This end will go through here. Ah, my finger. Who's this? Some fucking big truck. So the cable sheath needs to go to in there, and then I'm guessing we cut it. So I'm just thinking about running the cables down, because it tends to a bare cable here, and then back into a sheath again at the back. But I'm just thinking, if I'm going gravel riding, they're going to get covered in crap, so they might not run very well. But I'm going to do it anyway. Probably will regret that later after a few rides, but it's all good. It's all a learning curve. So I'm going to just chop this somewhere here, just to make... I don't think this is going to cut it. Oh, is that going to work? Should have bought some cable snips. It is one good way to fuck your cables up, I guess. Holy. Are you not supposed to cut this or something? Jesus. So that would be where you use these plastic things. That goes on the end. Cable comes through that. Yes? No? The other way. Yeah, so that goes in there. And then she goes on that. That pushes into there. Pushed in a lot further than I thought it would, so that might be too short now. And then this guy goes on in here, so again, put it on the right way, right? Cable goes on there, and then whole cable goes through here. Yeah, like that. Sweet. Now there's a little thing to put the cable through here, and then it'll route to there where the sheath comes out again, and then into the barrel adjuster on the back. I'm showing you now because I don't know how much you're going to be able to see while I'm doing this, but we'll give it a go. That's not long enough. Holy. I thought they made one size for these. Obviously not. Okay, so my phone storage got full while I was doing this, and you missed it. I absolutely crashed the fuck out because I routed the whole cable and got it all sorted and stuff over here. Obviously you can see that I've done it. I've done it now, the barrel just is on, it's in the lowest gear, whatever. I was trying so long, and then I was like, oh my god, I've bought a cable that's too short, for fuck's sake, there. Yeah, I realised that it was the front cable in the back. That's why I didn't reach. So, yeah, that was fun. I want to put in the front earlier on. I've noticed that the tube of the frame's too small for this, and I don't have anything to make like a shim to make that thicker, so I've just folded up a piece of card for now, and I'm going to stick that in just for now to get it all working and stuff, and then I'll work out how to make like a plastic shim later on to try and make it so it fits a bit better. But yeah, something like that. I don't know how much you can see. I don't know how low it needs to be either. Go across. Yep, it should go across. It's probably a little bit close, to be honest, but we can adjust that later. So now I'm going to do the cabling for the front derailleur. So I apologise that you missed as well. So the way that the dropouts are, the bolt that holds the derailleur hanger on is too long, so it's hitting the lock ring. So that's causing the cassette not to spin properly. So while I was trying to take that out, because I'm just going to file down this a little bit so it will fit, the whole fucking bike just fell on my head. So now it's kind of stood up like that, scuffed all the frame, and the derailleur is just there, and I smashed my arm, so that was fun. Just filed down that nut. I don't know if you can see. Just filed down that little nut just in there. See the end of it? How it was rubbing on the cassette before, but now we're spinning free. So it's actually pissing it down right now. I finally got this to a stage where it's fully rideable. Just need to trim the cable and get the middle one sorted. Put the front wheel on and I should be able to go for a little test ride once it stops raining, so that's fun. Disaster. I've lost this bolt while I was trying to tighten it to adjust it. So I can't use my front derailleur. I'm back in HD because 4K is just taking up too much memory. So I've made an executive decision. We're staying with one chainring. As you can see, I tried so hard to get that to work on the front shifter. I lost the bolt, then I tried to use a new bolt and the bolt was too long, so it was stopping the shifter working. I couldn't get the tension on the shifter, so every time you clicked the fucking shifter it wouldn't go over far enough. So yeah, I gave up. Executive decision. The small ring's pretty big anyway, so we'll just keep that one in for looks. And look at how neat and tidy this is. Beautiful, looks like a bike shop did it. Yeah, I am done for the day. I've been on this for 5.5 hours. Just trying to get that fucking front shifter working. Well, no, not just trying to do that, but that took a lot of time.
Good.